Have you ever noticed how Italian women over 50 always manage to look effortlessly elegant, even when the summer heat is pushing 35 degrees and everyone else looks like they're melting? While most of us are debating what to wear, they're gliding through cobblestone streets, looking as though they just stepped off a yacht in Portofino. So, what's their secret? Today, I'm sharing 9 Italian-inspired summer outfits that will have you looking rich, polished, and age-defying without needing a luxury budget. And make sure you stay with me through look number 5. It's the one Italian women wear when they want to turn heads without even trying. Let's start with the foundation of effortless Italian summer elegance. Look number 1, the classic linen set. If there's one outfit that defines Italian summer chic, it's a linen set. Light, breathable, and timeless, a linen button-up paired with matching shorts or wide-leg trousers has that unmistakable villa in Tuscany energy, even if you're just heading out for brunch. Here's why it works. It's breezy but polished. The magic lies in the matching set. It looks intentional and refined, but never fussy. Go for soft neutrals like ivory, cream, stone, or earthy tones like olive or rust. These shades flatter mature skin beautifully and always read expensive. Style it the Italian way. Roll up the sleeves casually, leave a button or two undone to reveal a gold necklace or just a touch of collarbone. Then slip into tan leather sandals. Add oversized sunglasses, a straw tote, and if you want that final Italian touch, a spritz of neroli perfume. The best part? Linen sets are everywhere and work at every price point. It's a look that proves you don't need designer labels to channel quiet luxury. You just need the right fabrics, proportions, and ease. Look number 2, the white dress with tan accessories. If there's one piece Italian women return to summer after summer, it's the white dress. Crisp, clean, and endlessly versatile, it's the perfect canvas for effortless elegance. But here's where the real magic happens. They always pair it with rich tan accessories. Picture this, a breezy white linen shirt dress or a cotton poplin midi that skims the body. On its own, it's fresh and chic. But add tan, letting simple, high-quality pieces do the talking. Look number 3, the white shirt styling trick. There's one piece Italian women over 50 never overlook, the crisp white shirt. Classic, flattering, and endlessly versatile. It's the kind of wardrobe staple that always looks polished. But here's the twist. Italians rarely wear it in the ordinary way. Instead of buttoning it up and tucking it neatly, they often style it open, almost like a lightweight jacket, layered over a simple tank or camisole. Pair it with tailored shorts, a midi skirt, or even slim trousers, and suddenly you've got a look that feels breezy, modern, and completely intentional. The secret here is proportion. Shorts are tailored and mid-thigh length, not sporty gym styles. Skirts are structured but flowy. The shirt itself has enough structure in the cotton to hold shape, but enough softness to move with ease. Finish it with minimalist sandals or leather loafers, a slim belt to tie the look together, and your favorite sunnies. The result is pretty Italian sophistication, effortless, polished, and never boring. Because in the right hands, a white shirt isn't just a shirt. It's the piece that makes everything else feel instantly chic. Look number 4, black in summer. Yes, Italian women wear black in the middle of summer, and somehow they make it look breathtakingly chic. The trick? It's never heavy. It's always light, fluid, and balanced with glowing accessories. Think of a black linen jumpsuit, a sleeveless midi dress with an open back, or a gauzy black caftan slipped effortlessly over a swimsuit. Instead of feeling harsh, it feels dramatic, slimming, and ultra-sophisticated. The secret lies in the details. Oversized sunglasses, a sleek bun, and golden jewelry that catches the sun. Add metallic sandals or classic espadrilles, and suddenly, black transforms from too hot for summer into a bold, elegant statement. It works because it's unexpected. While everyone else is reaching for florals and brights, Italian women embrace the quiet power of black done right. It's confidence, not color, that makes the outfit. So next time you hesitate about wearing black in summer, remember, it's not about avoiding it. It's about choosing the balance the volume. Or tie a crisp white shirt at the waist for that breezy, Riviera-ready vibe. Slide into strappy sandals, add oversized sunnies, and sweep your hair into a sleek, low bun. Suddenly, every sidewalk feels like a catwalk. The magic of palazzos is universal. They flatter every body, especially over 50, by elongating the legs and skimming gracefully over the figure. They don't just look elegant, they feel fabulous. This is the look that says, I didn't try too hard, but I know exactly what I'm doing. And that's true Italian elegance. Look number 6, the shirt dress. If there's one piece that quietly anchors every Italian woman's summer wardrobe, it's the shirt dress. Practical yet endlessly chic, this is the dress you'll see everywhere, from morning market strolls to terrace lunches to breezy evening walks along the piazza. Why does it work so well? Because it blends structure with ease. A linen or crisp cotton shirt dress in timeless shades, white, navy, olive, or soft blush, skims the body without clinging. It gives shape while still feeling light and breathable. And the beauty is in its versatility. Belt it with a slim leather belt to highlight the waist, or leave it open and airy for a more relaxed feel. Add classic sandals, a woven bag, and cat-eye sunglasses, and you're instantly channeling Italian elegance without even trying. Want to go a step further? Use it as a beach cover-up over a swimsuit, or layer it over wide-leg trousers for city chic. One piece, countless outfits. That's why Italian women love it, because the shirt dress isn't just clothing. It's a summer essential that makes getting dressed simple, stylish, and endlessly elegant. Look number 7, the midi skirt and knit tank duo. Italian women adore this combination because it's the perfect balance of femininity and structure. A flowy midi skirt paired with a fitted knit tank creates movement, shape, and effortless sophistication, all while keeping you cool in the summer heat. The key is in the contrast. The skirt brings elegance with its swish and flow. Think lightweight cotton, silk, or a satin finish that moves gracefully. The knit tank grounds the look, hugging just enough to define the silhouette without powerful. White jeans paired with a striped shirt is that effortless combo that always looks like you've just stepped off a sailboat, even if you're just running errands. Here's how Italian women make it work. The jeans are never too tight or too low-rise. Instead, they choose high-waisted, straight-leg, or slightly wide cuts that create clean, flattering lines. The striped shirt, usually in blue and white or beige and white, is slightly oversized for ease, then half-tucked at the front with the sleeves casually rolled. That little collarbone reveal? It's intentional, and it makes the whole look feel breezy and modern. Accessories finish the magic. Tan leather sandals, a straw tote or crossbody, and simple gold hoops tie it all together. The vibe? Relaxed but refined. Perfect for market mornings, brunch, or even travel days. It's proof that elegance doesn't come from complexity. It comes from knowing how to make simple pieces look intentional, polished, and timeless. And Italian women have mastered that art. Look number 9. The floral maxi dress. Florals can be tricky, too bold, and they slip into kitsch. But Italian women over 50 know exactly how to wear them with grace. The secret? Refined, muted prints that feel romantic without overwhelming. Think soft watercolor blooms or delicate patterns in shades of dusty rose, sage green, or pale lilac. Skip the loud tropicals or tiny ditzy prints. Those tend to look dated or distracting. Instead, go for flowy fabrics that move with you, not cling to you. A floral maxi in the right print and fabric becomes instantly feminine, flattering, and timeless. Styling is just as important. Strappy sandals, a woven clutch or vintage handbag, and delicate gold jewelry complete the look. Add a silk scarf in your hair, or keep it simple with a low bun or soft waves for that effortless Italian romance. This isn't just a dress, it's a mood, breezy, feminine, and endlessly elegant. It's how Italian women keep florals feeling chic, not frumpy. There you have it. 9 Italian-inspired summer outfits that prove elegance has nothing